Hello guys, I welcome you all on this wonderful platform that is Resultant. So guys, finally the time has come for which you guys were waiting. GATE 2025 website is live now, and this time IIT Roorkee is going to conduct or organize this GATE 2025 exam. And guys, if you see what are the various types of GATE papers, so this year 30 papers, 30 GATE papers are going to be there. Papers means like mechanical, civil, है ना, like mathematics. So overall total 30 papers will be there in February 1st and 2nd weekend. So all other things are same, only there is no much change. The syllabus, if you see, they are also same. So all these things you can watch by going into this different headings. Like if I will be going for the GATE papers, although those students who have already appeared last year, they would be aware of all the things. For other students who are appearing for the first time, I'm telling you each and everything from official website only. So dear, first of all, you can go to the question paper pattern. Okay, with that you will be familiar also with the website. So when we talk about the question paper pattern, first of all, it is an online examination. Okay, so GATE 2025 is similar to like previous year's paper. It is going to be CBT, computer based test, and guys, it will be of 3 hours, and in 3 hours you have to have a paper of 100 marks. And out of those 100 marks, you will be having two sections. One is general aptitude, other is the technical specific. If you talk about general aptitude, it will be of 15 marks. And then when we are talking about the technical part, it is going to have engineering mathematics plus other subjects. So engineering mathematics will be having a weightage of 13 marks. Rest 72 marks will be of technical. But here there is a paper of XC where we have 15 marks mathematics and 70 marks technical. Because in XC paper we have only two subjects, and those two subjects are asked for 35 plus 35 marks. So all others are having the same things. Okay, so this is going to be the type of question. If you see last year in 2021, a new type of questions was introduced, that is multiple select question, where we can have more than one options to be correct. So this year also the same three types of question will be there. MCQs, where out of four one option is correct. MSQ, where more than one option can be correct. And third is numerical answer type, fill in the blanks type of questions. So guys, these are the three types of GATE questions which will be there. And guys, the number of individual type is not mentioned. It is varying every year. Okay. And when we are talking about the testing abilities, type of question will be recall, comprehension, application, analysis, and synthesis. So these are the four types of question. All other things I already have told you. Total 65 questions are there. Okay, so when we are talking about 65 question, 35 question are of 2 marks, 30 question are of 1 mark. Okay, for aptitude section, 5 question of 1 mark, 5 question of 2 marks. Okay, so this is going to be the general thing. Negative marking is there, 1/3. Like for 1 mark question, if you are giving wrong answer, your marks will be deducted by 0.33. If you are giving a wrong answer for 2 mark question, your marks will be deducted by 0.66. Okay, this is going to be the marks deduction. And when we are talking about if you are not going to answer a question, you will get 0 for that. For correct answer, obviously you will get the full marks. Okay, so all these are the things which are mentioned for individual paper. Okay, like majorly if we are talking about, our discussion is going to be for these branches. Okay, in these branches, main is this electronics, electrical, mechanical, and also we have civil. These are the main branches where majority number of students are going to appear. Okay, so ME is for mechanical, EC is for electronics, EE is for electrical, and CE is for civil. So here it is fixed, 15 marks aptitude, 85 marks technical, total 100, total time 180 minutes will be there. 3 hours paper it is. Okay, so guys, these are the details here mentioned. Okay, now my dear, they have also given all other things. This was about the GATE paper section. In GATE paper section, if you want to check the syllabus, you can go to the GATE 25 paper and syllabus. Okay, so when you will go to this, GATE 25 will be conducted in 30 papers. These are those 30 papers. Okay, so you can watch your individual syllabus as well. Okay, so here I will be showing you 1 to 2 syllabus. Like for civil and mechanical, I will show you. So you can see for civil engineering, this is there. When you will click it, you will get the civil engineering syllabus. If you see the same syllabus for mathematics, which was last year, you can see that engineering mechanics, solid mechanics, structure and analysis, construction material and management, concrete structure, steel structure, then geotech, soil mechanics, foundation, then you have water resource, fluid mechanics, hydraulics, hydrology, irrigation, then environment, water and waste water, then air pollution, municipal solid waste, then transportation you have, highway, pavement, traffic engineering, geomatics. Okay, so guys, geomatics or survey you can say. This is the syllabus of civil. Okay, and you can see this is same as that of last year. So there is no major change. You can see, not major, there is no change till now. If you see the syllabus for mechanical also, you can see guys, same mathematics syllabus, algebra, calculus, differential equation, complex variable probability, and numerical method. Then engineering mechanics, mechanics of material means SOM. Then you have theory of machines, vibration, machine design, then fluid mechanics, heat and mass transfer. Then you have the thermodynamics, applications. Then you have production, materials, casting, forming, welding, machining, operations, metrology, sim, PPC, and inventory and operation research. So guys, it is same as that of last year. So there is no change in the syllabus. Okay. So guys, likewise, you can check for any branch. So I feel we have covered this section. And now we are coming on to the two paper combination. That is a very important thing. Maybe those students who are appearing for the first time may not be aware of this, that you can appear for two papers. You may be thinking, sir, both will be on the same day. No, generally both will be on the different days. Okay, like GATE 30 papers are conducted in 4 days, first 2 weekends of February. So two papers, if you are going to apply, they have made the combination so that if you appear in any combination, you will get different dates for the paper, and also that is depending on your main paper code, your BTech branch. Okay, so if you see, what do I say by BTech branch? Like if a student is from mechanical, obviously his first choice should be mechanical. Then second choice will be depending on the first choice. Okay, so you can see that what kind of second paper you can choose. If your main paper is related to aeronautical, then your second paper can be civil, mechanical, or XC. Okay, is it clear? So guys, similarly, if I see, let us say your first paper is civil, then you can go for these papers as second paper. In this you have XC, you have naval engineering, okay, you have aeronautical. Similarly, if you are talking about the like mechanical, for mechanical, what can be the second paper? Let us see. For mechanical, second paper can be aeronautical, DA, data science. Okay, then you can have instrumentation, you can have naval, you can have production industrial, you can have XC. Okay, similarly, what I have shown for civil also, you can see this is aeronautical, you are going to have environment science, you are going to have naval research, and you can have XC paper. Okay, so these are the papers available for you guys. Okay, and these are the paper codes. If you see in the first heading, when I went for the like this question paper pattern and this test paper and syllabus, their codes were mentioned. Okay, you can see the codes if you want, but I have told you what the general combination students are taking. Like for civil, generally people are going for either environment science or XC. Similarly, for mechanical, generally students are going for either XC or PI. These are the two majorly adopted, and those students who have, like if you can see here also, you can see by clicking onto that, like for PI production industrial, like for this naval architecture and marine engineering, like for IN instrumentation, like for DA data science and artificial intelligence, like for aerospace engineering. Here also you can see one by one. If you see, AG is agricultural, AR is architecture and planning, then GE is for geomatics. Okay, so these are the other paper code you can apply for. Okay, so this is how you can choose your first and second paper. But here I would suggest you first paper should be your BTech branch, because when PSUs are taking the candidates, they are going to offer the same paper code as that of your BTech branch. Okay, so first paper you try to take of the same as your BTech branch. Second, you can choose as per the available option. Nowadays students are also giving DA, data science, artificial intelligence. If you have interest in that, definitely you can go for it. So guys, now we will move to the next heading. Okay, so downloads, when we are talking about in this section, information brochure is not yet released. Okay, that will be released. And when we are talking about last year question paper, so bulk download of question paper from 2007 to 2024, if you will be clicking onto that, you can download, this is the complete zip files. Okay, you can just click on one zip file of your paper code. Like I am choosing mechanical, so if I will be choosing mechanical, there is an option of download. If I will be downloading this, I will be getting a download of complete paper from 2007 to 2024. Okay, so that is how they have given. And when we are talking about, if you want to just have last year paper, then you can directly go here. Just by clicking, you will get the last year paper. Now, my dear, after the download section, we will have the opportunities, from GATE, what is going to be, you can get. From GATE score, you can get into the PSUs. You can also get into the IIT's MTech admission, NIT's MTech admission, any government engineering college MTech admission, and also some foreign universities are also accepting the GATE score. So these are the major things which GATE score can give you. And mark for mechanical student, electronic student, computer science student, mark is also one of the opportunity from the GATE score. Then my dear, exam cities, if you will go, so there are various zones, and zone wise you can see, like whenever you will apply, so your application will be going for a particular zone. Maybe IIT Roorkee is going to conduct, but there are zones. So like these are the cities which will be coming under ISC zone. Okay. Similarly, you can have IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi. So based on wherever you want to see what are the various city where you can fill. So they have been mentioned, like under ISC Bangalore, these are the cities which are coming. Similarly, if you will go for IIT Bombay, these are the cities which are coming. So when you will be filling the form, you will be asked the three choices of cities. Based on your first choice, the other two choices will be coming. Because whatever your three choices will be, they are generally from one, you can say it is going to be under one zone generally. Okay. So this is how you can go for it. Then applications, you can see eligibility criteria. It is going to be same as previously. If you are talking about the candidate who are currently studying in third year or higher years, so if you are in third year of BTech, final year, you are eligible to apply. Okay, you can appear for GATE. I would also like to tell you guys here, when we are talking about third year, final year, this third year criteria was there at our time also in GATE previously, if you say before GATE 2011 and all, but then it was removed. Now once again it was introduced from 21. What is the benefit for third year student if they are going to appear for GATE? First of all, they get a check before, like final year they are going to give once again GATE. So first of all, you are going to get like a kind of pre-attempt. Okay, and that score is valid for next 3 years. So in third years, if you are going to appear for the GATE, you have a win-win situation. If you get a good rank, you will get some opportunity to be blocked, because 3 years GATE score is valid for MTech admissions. Nowadays, even some PSUs are also allowing, like they are taking last 2 years scores also. So, but not every PSU I am saying, because sometimes PSUs have backlog vacancies, like Damodar Valley Corporation. This year come up with the vacancies for GATE 2023 student also. So, but I would like to tell you, generally PSUs are taking for final year students only. So it is not like in third year, if you are giving, then that score may be valid in the next year. So I would like to tell you, when we are talking about third year score, that is majorly going to help you for MTech admissions. Okay, not in the PSUs. For PSUs, when we are talking about your final year score, will be more helpful, because I will say major PSUs, whatever they are considering for final year score, because either final year or after that. So third year score will be helping you for MTech admission, and also it will give you the idea of the exam, because maybe you give many tests, but the real feel of exam is different. Okay, so you get an idea, and also once you secure a good rank, you know your MTech is confirmed, then MTech from IIT seat is confirmed, then you are becoming more free for your college placements as well. Okay, so this is going to be the advantage. Then my dear, there are some societies which were initiated by our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru ji, who have provided them for the like correspondence BTech programs, like Institution of Engineers, Civil Engineers, hai na? So these societies are also there. So my dear, for these societies also, they have made some rules. Like if you have done BE or BTech from there, then my dear, they are also providing ki when, like whenever you are going to give the GATE, till which date your registration should be for appearing in the GATE, because their BTech system is different. Okay, so they can check there, it is mentioned. Okay, so guys, when we are talking about in application sector, there are required documents. So when we are talking about the documents, personal details would be required first of all. Second thing, the address of communication, eligibility degree detail, your BTech mark sheet details, whatever up to you have before giving into the GATE. Even if you have supply, no issues, you will get the chance. Like if you are going to get admissions in MTech, you get time till September 30 to qualify your BTech examination. Okay, then guys, GATE papers you have to decide with the codes, and 3 cities you have to choose from the same zone. and then my dear, the net banking and for that payment and you can do. Okay, high quality images are also required for photograph and but no, these things, photograph as sign, these things would be required when you will fill the form. Forms are generally coming on 30th of August, and you can apply from 1st September till like 23rd September or 25th September without any late fee. Then after that they provide up to 7th or 10th of October with late fee. Last year that date also extended with late fee. So dear, depends on that, but try to fill it before 15th of September, so that you be avoiding, if any mistake is going to happen, you have the time to rectify it. Okay, is it clear? So guys, then you can also see there are other things, application fees, so that is to be announced. Till now it is not announced, maybe it have some changes. Then my dear, apply online, that will come later. Okay, there are some FAQs are there, so that also to be announced. Contact numbers are there, that is not useful right now. Okay, so dear, I have given you all the details which are available right now, and once the notification will be out on 30th of August, most probably it is coming on 30th of August or 1st of September, we will be once again live to tell you all the details about the application, and we will try to show you here how to apply uh, by taking one login in front of you, so that you can learn the process live, how to apply, how to fill the details and everything, like we were always doing from many years. Okay, so guys, stay tuned, do like this session, share this session with your friends, also subscribe to the channel, because a lot of good thing you will find in this channel which will help you from starting your preparation till interviews. Okay, goodbye for this particular session. You can download the resultant mechanical and resultant civil engineering applications if you are looking for gate preparation, and also a lot of free materials are also available there, free tests are there. Okay, so just download the app, get the benefit. You can download the app from the Play Store. Okay, goodbye.